Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Ahuja HBM 60cc headband microphone. On the front of the box, we have an image of the microphone in the middle. Underneath that, a few of the salient features have been listed out, which include an ergonomic design for comfortable and convenient use. It allows hands-free use and reduces pickup of stray room noises and is suitable for various wired applications such as announcements, teaching, presentations, religious discourses, and stuff like that. On the bottom, we can see that it says that it is an electric condenser unidirectional microphone. There's nothing on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we have a few of the technical specifications. The specifications include the microphone element being of the condenser cardioid kind. Frequency response is 50 to 16,000 Hz. Sensitivity is 5.6 millivolts Pascal. Nominal impedance is 1000 ohms and cable length is 6 meters. On top, we simply have some Ahuja branding along with the model name. Same on the bottom. The back is pretty much the same as the front, except that there is a sticker on which we have some manufacturing information along with the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the headband microphone unit, the amplification module, and a AA battery that powers the amplification module. We'll start with the microphone unit. As you can see, it is a headband style microphone, and the headband is quite flexible and lightweight. One end of the headband is rotatable for additional comfort, and both ends have a soft foam like surface on the inside. Coming now to the microphone, it has quite a lot of rotation and can rotate up to around 340 degrees. It is also of the gooseneck kind, which means that it can be adjusted into a convenient shape. And on the end of the microphone, we have a wind guard that keeps away the sharp noises and ambient noises from a room. Coming now to the cable, it's as we know, it's a 6-meter long cable, and on the end of the cable we have a 3.5 audio jack. This is the amplification module. One end of the amplification module has a 6.35 audio jack, and the other end has a 3.5 female receptacle that the 3.5 jack from the microphone can be put into. The top can also be unscrewed to reveal the battery compartment that and when you put the battery in it, this amplification unit can be powered. To get started with using this microphone, all we need is a compatible device. In this case, we will be using an Android smartphone that has a 3.5 audio jack. Once connected, we can use this microphone to record audio on this smartphone. And as we can see from the waveform, it is picking up the sound of me tapping the microphone. So this was the unboxing of the Ahuja HBM 60cc headband microphone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.